Ready to transform your Kvcore website from basic to brilliant by adding custom pages that truly reflect your brand. First, log into your Kvcore dashboard, and then on the left-hand side, find and click on the Web IDX tab. This is your website's control center. Next, in the drop-down menu, select the Custom Pages option, where you'll build and manage all your unique website content. Now, click the Add Page button located at the top right. This will open a blank canvas to unleash your creativity. Here, you'll fill in the page name, which is for your internal reference, then create a URL slug, which determines the page's web address and should be short and descriptive. Next, in the content editor, add your custom content. You can type directly or paste in text, images, and even videos to make your page engaging. Scroll down to the SEO settings and fill in your meta title and meta description. These are crucial for search engine optimization, so make them relevant. Choose where you want to display your page by selecting the options to display it in the menu or in the footer. Finally, hit the Save button at the bottom. Your custom page is now live on your Kvcore website. Now you can create custom pages that give a tailored experience to your visitors.